Welcome back to day 3 of our 30 days pattern making. We're making the dress on your screen. This is our full dress block. It has the bust dart, the full waist dart, the hips, and because it's asymmetric, it was cut on fold. What we have on this side is exactly what we have on this other side. So without so much talk, let's get right into it. As you'd notice, the style has a kimono sleeve, so let's get straight into drafting a kimono sleeve. Make the kimono sleeve, we're just going to draw a straight line at the armhole area. That's this point here, a straight line like so at the armhole area. Using our curve, we would make a curve from this point here to this leg of our dart, like so. Next up, we're going to draw a straight line at this point. And this marks our sleeve for the kimono. The next thing I'll do is I'll trace what I have here to the other side of my pattern. Remember, it's asymmetric, so I'll trace this curve in this straight line here. Okay. I would draw the curve and this becomes our new sleeve. It's this bust dart here to this point. That's the shoulder. With our pattern unfold like this, we would measure the entire width of the shoulder, divide it by 2. Draw a straight line and connect it to the bust point. Next, we're going to slash this leg of our dart to the bust point, but we'll not cut it through it. We'll then go ahead and slash the shoulder line to the bust point. And then we'll close this dart like this. We have successfully created the shoulder dart. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to close this dart as well on this side of our pattern. This particular dart, we're going to close it. From this point here, we'll further divide it by 2. And using our ruler, we'll draw a line from this point here we have marked to the bust point. Then we slash it, open to the bust point. This is it. Now to open it up, so it have an opening, we're going to then go ahead and slash this line here to the bust point but not through it, and proceed to close our bust dart and transfer it to this point. We'll hold it with a tip. As you can see, our pattern is beginning to take shape. On the 10th of July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be. You know, we're working with a kimono bodice, so we're just going to go ahead and blend this area here, the armhole area. We're going to blend it like so to the hip, just straight into the hip like so. Then we go on and cut the excess. To have even sides, I'm going to fold the pattern like so and then trim off the excess like I did the other side, like so. I've successfully transferred our darts from the bust areas to the shoulder area. See you on day 4 of our 30 days pattern drafting. Bye.